Hi, I am Sly. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching me opening this Kyogre EX tin, and from the Azure Legends tin, code card will be in there, and this is what came. It's cool looking promo. Also, it came with this 2 hits from the tin. Obsidian Flames hit, Belly Bolt. Also, we got a awesome looking Mencino. This one's really cool, beautiful looking card. I like this one. And let's open the last pack. I got this from the vending machine from Fry's grocery store. Let's go see what we can get in this 1-pack magic. I have not opened that many Surging Sparks, but let's see what we can pull. Code card for you code snipers. Let's rip this and toss it away. Let's go with Water Energy. Oh, let's go. Please let there be a hit. Let's do a little zoom. We have a basic Water Energy. Let's go. Just get a like for that energy guess. Also, we got a Rufflet Foot Flap. We got a Gimme Ghoul little treasure chest with tackle. With a Glimmet with the cool diamonds. Rock Hurl. We have a Togetic, cute little Togepi in the corner. Drain Kiss. We have a Deduction Kit. Celerouge, this one looks pretty sick with his little sword hands. And Indeedee with Super Cybolt. Studying Abroad. And a reverse Citadel with Drain Fin, a little derpy little thing. A reverse Paldean Turos with weird kick. And last pack magic. And we have a Chinpow, a little snake looking leopard with icicle loop. Cool looking card still. Again, hit that like, share, subscribe. And you guys have a good day. Let's open some more packs. Like and share.